All right, so I purchased this MacBook Pro, and this is me unboxing the MacBook Pro. So this is a 14-inch MacBook Pro with Apple M3, 8GB unified memory, 512 gigabyte SSD, 10-core CPU, blah, 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 blah. A lot of different stuff here. So I'm gonna remove the first, whatever that's called, and remove the second. Flip this bad boy over. It's my first ever Mac computer, so I'm excited about it. Really got it to help me with 4K video. So just took that box off. Here is what is in there. So you see the laptop is here. Boom. Put that to the side. Got a nice little charge cord right there. Hey, boom. Designed by Apple in California. MacBook Pro. Some instructions there for you. MagSafe, Thunderbolt, Touch ID. Welcome to MacBook Pro. FaceTime HD camera control center. Oh, all right, that's nice to have there. Some stickers. I see a lot of Mac users use stickers. I don't know if I'm gonna get into the sticker game, but we'll see. Put 2 stickers there. What else is in here? That might be it. Yeah, that's it. So put it back in there. Got the base charger. You put this stuff away. Got your charger base there. Boom, boom. There it is. All right. So for the beauty that we all came here for. The MacBook Pro. Take that off. Got some nice MacBook Pro. Bring it there. Hey, wait a minute. How you open this? I don't want to mess it up first time. Okay. There it is. MacBook Pro. Good old hello message. Hello message again. Hello again. That's it. That is the MacBook Pro. Yeah. Definitely excited. HDMI cable on this side. Yeah. Pretty weight-wise, basic laptop as far as weight, but really excited to dive into this more. I guess I could stop. I probably could stop this on. There it is. Language and all of this stuff for setup. So there is my unboxing of the MacBook Pro. Thank you for spending some time here. I'm gonna get into this and learn how to work with my new computer. Have a good one.